His body, baby. His body, baby.
Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a review on a product that I've been using for about 2 to 3 months. I did that so I can come back and kind of tell you my experience so far with it. The product I'm talking about is the Almay Brow Styler. Fully zooms. And this is it right here. This is the package right here. So for a really long time, most of my life, I've been pretty much using a brow pencil and then following with a clear mascara to kind of keep it from moving. And then after I had my son, I just didn't have that time to really be doing my eyebrows. So my eyebrows have really been hurting. Like, I've not been really putting the effort into them. So finally I said, you know what, let me start trying again with this eyebrow thing. I also do try to use castor oil every so often, try to grow them and things like that. So these are pretty much my eyebrows. The main issue is just here I'm missing some, and here it's okay, but this is the area that's really been an issue for me. Anywho, so yeah, I've been using castor oil and doing different things like that to try to grow them back. But I was also looking for something, like some days when I feel like, you know, going a little bit, you know, above the usual, and try to look a little bit more put together. I do try to do my brows. So I was looking for something that was a brush that would just be easy to use, and something that didn't cost, that wasn't pricey. I really wanted to do, I think, the Boy Brow by Glossier. That's the one I really want to get, and I'll do that in the future. But for now, I was just like, let me find something that I can just use every day that's easy. I don't have to think too much about it. And yeah, so I was walking the aisles of Target once again, and I came across this guy. So yeah, so it was about $3.49. I got it in the dark brown, which is number 30. They always recommend that you don't buy dark black to draw your eyebrows or to do your eyebrows. They always say go like with a lighter color. So I got a dark brown, which is still dark. I think I might have to go down even one more. Yeah, so this says it's supposed to be shapes, grooms, and fills the fuller, natural looking brows, conditions with special blends of ingredients including marula oil, slimy brush or slimy brush for mistake-free application. Yeah, so that's what it says in the back here, right there. Okay, so yeah, so I've been using this for a couple months. So when you open it, this is how the brush looks like right here, and pretty much you just take it and you go in like this. Oh, my battery is low. So you go in there and kind of just brush your eyebrows out. This is really rough, guys. I'm just trying to show it to you. But pretty much that's all you really do. So far, I mean, I've liked it. It's decent. But one issue that I have with it is sometimes when you take it out of here, it clumps up. So as you are really trying to go in and just quickly do this, you end up with like clumps of, you know, product on your eyebrows. And then it becomes too much where you have to just really go in and fix it or try to even it out somehow. So that's one of the major things that I really don't like it. But if you are looking for just a cheap brow brush that, you know, gives a little bit of color, I definitely recommend it. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.